Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Honda Shadow 750 Aero. This is the classic middleweight 750 twin-cylinder cruiser, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, shaft drive. This one's got a beautiful touring windscreen, just acquired from its original owner with only 6,300 miles. Come by, check it out. Make your midweight cruiser dreams come true. This beautiful metallic red Honda Shadow cruiser for just $53.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.